So this is our selection sort. Before that, we did the lesson was insertion sorts, and the second was we did more insertion sort, and I introduced you expansive sort also. And I introduced you in that expansive sort. So today we will talk about selection sort. As you can see here, it's written here. Let me zoom it. Selection sorts. We will learn in this lesson about selection sorts to think in small, clear steps. As you can see here, here is a maze. What you are doing to solve the maze, you are selecting a way. Yes, a way where the maze is going directly into the point, into the solution. There is no blockage, no stop, straight going to the. As it's written here, to find your way through the maze, you need to look ahead to see where you are going. You also need to take small, careful steps so that you do not miss an opening or take a wrong turn. As I told you, these things, why we are learning, why I am teaching you, or why we are discussing these insertion sorts or selection sorts, because as you can see here it's written programming. As I told you, we are talking about, and all these things are in the algorithm. Algorithm is a computer programming language. So please, I am teaching you these things, but I want you guys, I'm teaching you methods, but I want you guys to read out your lessons as well. As it's written here, it is very important when programming using sorting algorithms that you write small, clear steps from one task to the next task. You already know how to do an insertion sort, which we did in the last lesson. Insertion sort, what we did, we arrange our whatever we have in the activity, like flowers, cards, we arrange the cards. You know that an insertion sort works well for sort lists, but is expensive. And we also talk about expensive sort. In this lesson, you are going to do a selection sort. In a selection sort, you find the biggest item, put it first on the list. Then find the next biggest item, put it second on the list, and so on. We are doing like that. You choose or select one item at a time. This is why it is called a selection sort, because in this you are selecting. As you can see here, we have these flowers. Okay, here are those 5 flowers which was in our first lesson as well, in the 6.1 insertion sort. Same, yes, but what we did in the first lesson, we arranged that accordingly. But here we are going to select find the biggest flower, put it at the top of your list. Find the next biggest flower, put it second on your list. Find the next biggest flower, put it third on your list. Keep going until you have sorted all the flowers. Here you are selecting, you are not arranging. You have to select that flower and then accordingly sort it. In this selection sort, I also in the insertion sort, I show you a game. Same in this, I will also show you the same game. This game, I will show you same game means we will again do activity with the cards. As you can see here, my cards are here and I just randomly put my card in front of me and here are numbers from, but what I will do in this, I select 4. Now I am looking for which is the last number, which number is less than 4. I saw here 2, but there is less than 2. I have A, so I selected. Please notify which number I solve, means I sort, I will put on my left. The sorting item we will put in our left. We will start from the left. The next thing is from the 4. Which number is? It's 2. Then 3. I will again see from the 4 which, then 3. After that number 4, and after that I'll see bigger than 4 is 5, and then after 5 it's 6, then after 6 7, then after 7 8, and then after 8 it's 9. So I sorted. First I selected, then I sorted. That's it.